Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I saw this 3-ingredient chocolate cake going around and I thought I'd give it a go. If you're not subscribed to my channel guys, please don't forget to hit that red button for your girl to be subscribed, and follow me on Instagram at Shell's Homestyle Kitchen. Now look at that on the screen guys. If you want to know how I did this, just keep watching.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back.